Hey guys, this is Dane Remkus over at Hutton Nissan in Jackson, Tennessee. A lot of folks don't know how to remote start their car, so I'm going to show you how. So this is the remote start button. This is the lock button, unlock button, trunk button, and panic button. But we're going to only use the top two, the lock and the remote start button. So let's get the process started. So you lock the vehicle twice, then you hold the remote start button at the top. Well, a lot of people ask, what are the benefits to having remote start on your vehicle? Well, first of all, you could remote start your vehicle from about 200 feet away. Then secondly, you can remote start your car from inside your house so you could cool down or heat up your vehicle before you have to go out into the temperatures outside. And that's how easy it is, folks, to remote start one of these vehicles. And it's available on any car that has the remote start function. Come see us at 495 Van Drive in Jackson, Tennessee. Thanks.